Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad that you guys are here. Today I have a little bonus video, you guys. So if you know from the title, this is Labubu half a seat little like plushies. You guys know I love to collect Hello Kitty, and I told myself I would never buy those ugly monsters. Well, I did. I gave in, but I only bought two, and it was so hard for me to get them, you guys. So hard. So if you're new here, hey guys, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you haven't, give me a thumbs up. So today we're going to do an unboxing of my Labubu half a seat, you guys. I actually want the purple. I'm not good with the name. And so the reason why I'm doing this video right now is because I bought two of them at a different time. It took me a whole week to get them on TikTok live video, actually, because on their website online, you cannot get them. They go in under a minute. And so I finally got the other one today, and I received the other one about 2 days ago. So let's go ahead and open it. You guys, they're cute and ugly. I know. Let me take a thumbnail after I open the box. I'm so excited, you guys. I know I've been seeing it everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and you name it. I gave in. I actually won. I wanted a different one. I wanted the one with Mickey and Minnie. But oh my gosh. Okay, we will take a thumbnail. It did take about almost a week for it to arrive because they did ship it out from the warehouse in China. So yeah, it is authentic. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't have a store, Pup Mart. I don't have a store here nearby me, and the closest is like 2 states away from me. So yeah, all right. Oh my gosh, I don't know which one I'm actually gonna get, but I'm excited. Hubby said, what are you doing? Did you get yourself into this craziness? And I'm like, yes I did. He's like, I knew it. I knew it. You were going to do it. And I'm like, oh, sorry, not sorry. Okay, let me actually take a cute thumbnail, shall we? 1, 2, 3, cheese. Okay, so I don't know their name. I'll be honest with you. I want the purple, which I think is CZ, and Hee. I think this is Hee, and the blue one. Is this the blue? I think this is blue, and this is like the mint green, but I believe it's Hee, CZ, or CC, Baba. Oh, is it ZZ? CC? I don't know, but you guys, I don't know what the name. I'm not good. Dada and Baba. Sorry. Dada, Baba, and I don't know. But there's a secret one, which is like a brown color. Okay, let's just go ahead and get started, shall we? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, this is so exciting. Made in China. Okay, so if you know, they've been everywhere. This thing has been bananas. It is just everywhere. It's so hard to get them. People are reselling them like crazy. Okay, a little ASMR. Ready? Oh my gosh. I've been watching some video and I'm like, oh my gosh. So this is nice. All right, what do you guys think we're gonna get? I don't know, but oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh, I don't want to see there's a sticker that tells you what it is. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. Okay, here we go, guys. Are you guys ready? Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I'm not looking yet. All right, are you ready? I'm sure you can see it before me. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. 3, 2, 1, boom. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is this the gray one? Is this the gray one? So who is this? I think this is, wait, hold on. It looks so different. Hold on. Oh, where's the stickers? I thought, oh, it's right here. Oh my gosh, I'm hilarious. Okay, so here's a cute like little like card that tells you I got hee or he hee. I don't know, but oh my gosh, you guys, how freaking cute. So this can be a back charm or a key charm, you name it, whatever you want to use it. But oh my gosh, you guys, so cute. It actually goes perfect size with my Louis Vuitton one that I have. Let me show you. Hold on. Okay, so freaking cute. All right, look. I mean, so I have this Louis Vuitton one on my Alma BB Louis Vuitton purse. And oh my gosh, let's put it in there. Let's just see how it looks, but I'm excited. Okay, let's see how big it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is just so precious. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm obsessed. Okay, let's see. All right, awesome. So let's get it out the way and let's put it right here. Okay, now let's see, who do we have next? All right, so I think that's hee or hehe, something like that. I don't know. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, please let it be the purple or the blue. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is addicting. I can see why people get addicted to this. Like, literally. It's so hard not to not to get addicted to it. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like a beautiful yellowy color. Okay, who is this? This one is CZ? Is it? I don't know what the names. I'm not good with the name, you guys. I haven't really been paying attention to their names. I'll be honest with you. I just like watching the unboxing. I think this is CC. I think it's CZ. But oh my gosh, you guys, look how freaking cute. I want the macaroon version, but this is the only one I was able to get, but that's okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is perfect. I freaking love it. Okay, let's see how does it look in this. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so freaking cute, you guys. I know they're like cute and ugly at the same time. I know that's not like a good combo, but oh my gosh. Hold on. Oh, I put it backwards. Okay, hold on. All right, hold on. Let's see. Okay, let's put it correctly. Here we go. There we go. Is it? Yes. Oh, I need to fix it. Okay, whoever did this did it wrong. Because, yeah, I need to fix that. Okay, but anyways, oh my gosh, you guys, how freaking cute is that? Oh my gosh. Okay. Well then, OMG, I cannot believe it. Hey, I didn't get the ones that I truly wanted, but that's okay. I'm excited that I was able to get at least 2. They are a little pricey, I will say. I mean, it's like money that you don't need to spend, but you know, you see it everywhere and you want it and you're like, oh my gosh. But yeah, but I gave in. I bought 2 and that's it. I don't need no more. But I can't believe I got those 2. But yes, so I wanted to share that with you guys, something fun and cute and maybe scary at the same time. I don't know, but I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, alrighty guys, well, thank you so much for stopping by and seeing me with this cute little unboxing. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys, love you.